So after putting everything together, putting the bicycle into service for a little while, we've learned some things. First thing we learned is that the battery that I was trying to make use out of before it needed to be recycled, there was a reason we took it out of service, and it's too far gone. It'll charge up, but the amount of charge that it holds isn't really worth using it. So what I've done is come up with a little system here that I can use to kind of move the bike back and forth to whatever system I need to use with it. And here's just using a simple receptacle where I've connected a cord to some clamps that I can basically connect to any battery. And we put it on our normal system alongside our solar panels for cloudy days and whatnot. And the two of us combined, putting about an hour into it, has seemed to help. It's definitely a good backup and a good resource to have. So all in all, it's a success. The 120 volt DC motor seems to be perfect. I mean, it's a nominal pressure or a nominal pedal speed with a decent amount of resistance. Gives us about 2.5 to 13.5 volts depending on the state of the batteries. So it's really worked out good. This setup here is kind of an improvisation for the minute. I don't really like it because if these two clamps were connected to a battery and you remove this, these two or these contacts would remain live. So that's a potential for a hazard or a shock, and I don't really like that. This should actually be reversed, where you use this part as your plug, whereas these would be up. So you'd want your female, that way once you unplug it, they're not exposed to danger. So working on that, but otherwise the project was a success. Real pleased with it. For now, it's working. It's pretty stable. The belt needs to be tightened up a little bit, but she's given us a few weeks of work, and we'll carry on. Again, thanks for watching, and we'll move on to the next project.